Okay. I just got my package from Amazon. This is the unboxing. Careful. Dang it. Why they put this in this? I thought it was bigger than the picture at first. I'm like, wow, it's big. You be so excited to get your little box. It's like a present. I can't believe they did all this. Another box. 1, 2, 3 boxes. Really, Amazon? Box wasted. Wait, that's stupid, Amazon. 1, 2, 3 boxes. Okay. Well, this is the portable energy for my RV. Let me be careful with this. Okay. Oh, goddamn on with the fraud. Okay. Power box. So I have to charge it. Okay. So this is my new power box. I gotta charge it. It has 4. Hold on. This is the new power box. Has, is it 4? It's put. And this is the charger. DC to DC. Okay, I'm gonna charge it. It's smaller than I thought. I got an 800 credit score, so I'm real good with the math. So they told me if you open an account, I already had a Amazon account, but if you use some kind of code, you can get the $51 off. You see the coupon? 6 certified e-card or whatever. But anyway, so my total was supposed to be $157, and they sent me a bill. Oh, we charge you $2 $217.89, but shipping was free, so I'm gonna have to dispute that. But anyway. Okay, I've been letting it charge up. It's been 2 hours. It's at 73%. 110 watts, 12 watts in. We at 92 within 3 hours. Okay, it's at 100% within 3 hours. This is the one I had from Sam's Club. I cannot think of the name of it. You see the little symbol? And I was trying to see how many watts. Because the new one is 300. And then this one lasts for 3 hours on my TV in the truck. And it only has one, okay, Avia. Okay, 182 watt. This is peak 240. Rated 180. So this one, it lasts 3 hours for my truck. I just got this one. Just charge it up to 100%. Brand spanking new. Input to charge it. So it has 4 plugs. 2 are grounded and 2 aren't. And that one only has 1 plug. USBs. Type-C. So this will charge my tablet. So if I want to use AC power, I gotta push this button. USB and DC. Oh, okay. They all got different powers. Okay. I saw this on Small's Adventure Travel. So I ordered it from Amazon. So the most of them were around $900 for the big ones. But so I ordered this one. That one was $150 for one outlet at Sam's. This one was $150, which I got a discount because I signed up for their membership. This one was $150. It was 2 something. I got their membership off Sam's Club. Let me see. 300 watt capacity. Well, it says $299 right here. 299.52. You can do solar in. Fast charging USB. Make sure the remaining capacity exceeds 60% before idle for more than a month. And this said battery charger. That's what kind of confused me at first. Battery charger. But this is the battery charger for the DC in. Okay, let's turn it off. Turn this off, guys. Brand new. Can't wait to travel with this in my RV. I'm getting ready for my spring trip. I'm very excited about my
technology.